Hello everyone, my name is Justin Ison. I just want to say I'm very honored and proud to be part of the 2018 Testing Guild. I'm a huge fan of Joe's and his talks. And just to give you a little bit of background about myself, I've been in IT for almost 20 years now, both as a QA engineer and software engineer. Currently, I work for Apple Tools. We specialize in visual test automation, and I am a senior software engineer working on the customer success team for Apple Tools. Essentially, I help onboard our enterprise customers, assist them with any issues they encounter, and recommend best practices across the entire technology stack for automation. Prior to Apple Tools, I was a senior software engineer at Microsoft, working on the Wunderlist app in Berlin, Germany. And today I'm going to talk to you about automated exploratory testing of native mobile applications and why we need to use or leverage machines to help us move quicker without sacrificing quality. And I hope you enjoy my talk, and please feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or email if you have any questions about it. Thank you.
Yeah, let's get started. So what I'm going to talk to you about today, I'm going to talk to you about today's quick development landscape with Agile and continuous integration and continuous deployment. The nearly impossible combinations that exist for mobile, the mobile test metrics and everything that should be validated before you make a release. And showing you how you can actually leverage machines to help you cover all these combinations. Work that otherwise humans have spent many hours doing. And the solution I came up with and how I did it. And how automating exploratory testing can help you find more bugs in these shortened release cycles in today's Agile world. So the Agile world moves fast, and it's up to us to keep up.